Hi. I'm Claudia from Cake4Three. Today we're going to see how easy it is to make this decoration for a birthday cake. It's delicious and super easy. This was my birthday cake a few days ago. I'll leave you the doses and list of ingredients in the description. I made a meringue. Watch my tutorial on pavlova to make it with a stand mixer or with Thermomix. I'll leave you the links. With the help of the spatula, I move the meringue onto the plate for decoration. I weigh the cold mascarpone and the cream and whip them until they get a firm consistency. If you don't use sweetened cream, you must add the icing sugar. It will only take 2 or 3 minutes to reach the right consistency. I arrange the cream and the fruit. The more fruit you add, the better. As a suggestion, try using berries or other sour fruit such as kiwi or even mango. They contrast well with the sweetness of the meringue. Continue to arrange layers of fruit and cream. When you're done, just before serving, you can add a little icing sugar to decorate. I hope you enjoy this decorating tutorial. As you can see, it's super easy. You can also buy the ready-made meringue base and simply decorate it. It's often easy to find the small, single-serving ones, even at the supermarket. If you want to stay updated on my next videos, subscribe. Feel free to share this video with anyone you think might be interested. Thanks for your likes and for watching.